guys, welcome back to the channel and into my kitchen. You're probably wondering why we are here in this unusual scenario, but I'm gonna show you a couple of hacks of this pizza oven near me. This is the Spice Caliente. I will leave the link down below as usual, but today we're gonna make two pizzas. So the first one without any modification, while the second one will have a small mod which consists in basically replacing the stone with a professional one. So follow me and let's get started. First thing to do is obviously to turn on the pizza oven. So in this case should be around 2 or 2.5 as the power indicator. And the oven will take about 10 minutes in order to reach its maximum temperature. We're gonna check that with this device. And here we have the two pizza dough for our test, ready after 24 hours. Should be almost ready. Okay, the LED is now off, 250 degrees. Let's start with the pizza dough and flour. Okay, we are now ready to proceed. Pizza dough is ready. Let's just put on it tomato sauce, already with salt, olive oil and basil. Let's spread it evenly, just like so. And the final touch is obviously mozzarella. Just few slices on it. All right. Now after 4 minutes, that should be ready. Very important, don't open it during the whole process. Okay, we are now halfway through, 2 minutes left. Okay, now 10 seconds left. Okay, it's ready. Maybe a little bit more.
One eternity later.
Okay, now more or less ready. Okay, and this is the final result. In total it took us about 4 minutes and a half for cooking it, but as you can see the final result is not so good. The pizza is well cooked at the bottom, but maybe a little bit too white on top. We are now ready for the first mod. Basically we're going to replace the stone with this professional one. I'll leave the link down below in the description. So the procedure should be very quick. There are just two screws, one here and the other one here. This whole aluminum circle will be taken off, and then we should be ready to change and replace the stone. So let's start with the one on the left. Same thing here on the right. Okay, once it is off, it will be quite easy to remove the current stone that we have and replace with a professional one. Okay, we have now taken off the original stone. We just need to take out also this piece of aluminum. Let's mount it back together. Okay, 280 degrees, so higher than before. And now let's use the second pizza dough in order to check the difference. Ready for going in. Now again 4 minutes, maybe a little less. It's done. What do you guys think? Think it's a much better result? Nevertheless, I think we can do better. I will need for sure another mod, so stay tuned for the next video. As a comparison, you can now see some examples of the results I was able to obtain with my ordinary kitchen oven. So the mod was extremely easy. This earthenware stone is 100% natural, specific for food usage, and it takes more or less the same amount of time for reaching its maximum temperature compared to the original stones you can find in this type of ovens. But this one will never burn the base of your pizza, even at higher temperature. By that I mean around 500 degrees or more, 500 Celsius degrees. I decided to take anyway this aluminum piece off from the oven, since this stone is a little bit thicker than the original one, so it caused some issues. But it's not an issue as long as you won't turn this upside down. So I hope this video was useful for all of you. I will have another video coming soon with another and more intense mod for this type of ovens. So stay tuned if you want to know more, and subscribe if you want to be notified. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.